All right, Marcy, thank you. More than 100 people from the Red Cross Greater Chesapeake region have been deployed to Texas and Louisiana to help victims.
You know, the needs on the Gulf Coast right now, as you can imagine, are overwhelming. And as ABC 2 News' Catherine Hawley found out today, local volunteers in the Lone Star State really feel like they're making a difference.
We first introduced you to Amanda Pasco Monday night.
My hope is to be able to give as much help to those in need, whatever their needs are at the time.
It was the Anne Arundel County woman's first deployment to aid in a natural disaster. And she's been on the ground in Austin, Texas for the last 3 days, working 12-hour shifts.
A lot of people are in shock, just still trying to process what's happened and trying to collect their thoughts as to what the next steps are to move forward with their life.
We caught up with Amanda at a shelter set up inside an activity center. She says about 100 evacuees from the Houston area are there getting much needed help.
A lot of people need counseling support. There are people here with serious medical conditions that need to be immediately addressed.
Children are being placed in school so their education isn't interrupted. There's even a pet area with about a dozen dogs, cats, and birds being cared for. Amanda says locals and organizations are stepping up to make a difference in the lives of people who might not have homes to return to.
Right now in Austin, we have at least 15 different shelters set up at activity centers, high schools. So ultimately, the goal is to consolidate all of these smaller shelters into one larger mass shelter so that all of our resources can be pooled into one location.
To sustain this kind of support, the Red Cross needs help from you. Volunteers, blood donations, and financial support can make a direct impact on thousands of people.
Out of all the things I've done, I would have to say the last 3 days has been the most rewarding experience for me, to be able to be a part of something that is so big and so meaningful.
Amanda will be in Texas for about 2 weeks. Catherine Hawley, ABC 2 News.